power mod for the 6.7 Platinum out there. This thing is an absolute unit here.
Black Sheep 5.0. So we should have enough for close to 2,000 horse.
So this thing will be running like... What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have made it to the land of Powerstrokes. We haven't been here literally in forever. The virus thing really jacked everything up, but we're just living life again. We just gotta live life. All right, so whatever. We have made it to the land of Powerstrokes. We are here. We have some super awesome stuff to check on for this truck, my 2017 Platinum. By the title, you already know what we're doing, but let's go in there, see what we got and see what we're working with, and get some updates on the whole SPE clan. All right, guys, right away, we're not even wasting any time. We're gonna get right into a test drive on the new 20 Mustang GT. This is the SPE test car for some super incredible stuff about to come out. But yeah, we gotta go for a quick test ride in this completely stock Mustang GT. 10-speed auto. Exhaust is in like track mode or something right now. Yeah, so let's go. So what do I go down in the sport mode for
paddles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so it turns out I'm driving the gosh dang thing. See how it compares to the Supra. Wow, fast shifts.
Right?
Oh, real fast.
And that's not a DCT.
Right.
That's just a torque converter standard automatic transmission.
Guys, the GT500 was in the trailer. We'll check that out when we get back. We're just taking the test car for a ride. I wanted to see how it compares to the Supra. This thing has 97 miles on the clock. Brand new.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I got it. Just focused. Wow. So we're in track sport mode. Traction control's all off. I'm super surprised at how fast it shifts on. Woo! Dude, I like it. Oh yeah.
Corey's gonna be buying a Mustang.
Oh yeah. This is a fun car.
Yeah.
And guys, I forgot to tell you, I told you this was a stock car. This is not a stock car. This has his suspension components underneath of this thing. What all does it have?
Billet vertical links, and then the subframe lockout bushings.
So the car is like super planted. Like
the back's pretty stiff.
Wow, do these things just keep revving?
Oh, they love revving.
And it doesn't sign off. It's power.
Yeah.
It boosts your confidence big time. Coming into that turn right there,
right?
I was not sketched out whatsoever. All right, we'll go back and we'll check out the GT500. All right, guys, so there it is, the 2020 Mustang GT50. This is the blackout package, so it has like black roof, black wheels. And then like a screen and stuff. I'm not really sure 100% what that comes with, but real quick, we'll give you a shot in here at some secret SPE parts. You can see it back there. So yeah, more to come on this here. We'll do like a little bit more of a breakdown on the Mustang stuff, because there's a whole bunch like happening with the Mustang. So big deal. Stay tuned. Supra. All right. GT500 is in the trailer still, because you just took it to the track, right?
Yes. Baseline.
This thing is an absolute unit here, but we're going to do more on this, obviously. Right now it's in the trailer, and he is designing some parts for it, so there's some stuff taken off of it. Currently, I just wanted to get in here and get a shot of it on camera. You let me drive this one?
Yeah. Why not?
So there you go. He said it. He said once you say it on camera, you're locked in.
Man of my word, you can know that.
All right, guys. So this has its own Instagram. What's this Instagram? Shout it out. Hurry up.
Black Sheep 5.0.
Black Sheep 5.0. Go check this out. We'll cover that later too. But right now we're on the diesel stuff. So this is the infamous 6.7 Powerstroke Dragster. So I see some stuff's back up on here, ready to roll almost. Where are you at with this? When is this thing gonna make its...
So it's basically, we did all the latest engine upgrades as far as like what we offer for the 6.7 stuff.
So this is like stout, newest stuff, all
Right.
kinds of cool stuff.
Right, the bottom end and everything. Different valve spring package in it, different cam. It's very similar to the UCC engine. Same type of fuel system as our UCC motor. So we should have enough for close to 2,000 horse. We're probably not going to turn it. Probably not going to do that with it, and probably be in that 15, 16 mark. Little cosmetic thing. We're going to repowder coat some stuff and make it nice again, just from tearing it apart. And I got to do a charge pipe, and that's pretty much it. And then we'll be back to running.
So guys, there is a little update on the Powerstroke Dragster. I know some of you guys ask like where this thing stands. So this should be making a pass here. You know, well, there's like a zillion things going on at SBE HQ. So I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated on the Dragster, but definitely, yeah, definitely keep an eye out. Sometime this year, we'll keep you posted. All right, guys. So here is the real deal. Power mod for the 6.7 Platinum out there. Dan just packaged this up, and I'm going to make him open
Unpackage
it up so we can get a look at this. Now, this is something special. This is not your average run-of-the-mill non-DGT turbo swap. So we're going to pull it out, show you here just in a second. Now, you just assembled this one, correct?
Yeah.
So,
Well,
yeah.
I only had a couple of these that we had done.
This is
But it is going to be, testing's pretty much complete on it. That's why you're getting one.
yeah, so I'm right at the end of testing here. Kind of getting oh buddy. So what this is you want to tell them so I don't botch it?
So it's still, externally it's an S300. So the Emperor kit that we're doing is still, it's an S300 based turbo. Now it's obviously our version, but as far as dimensionally, it's the same. What we did is we did a ball bearing center cartridge inside of the factory center for an S300. So it's milled out, and it has a GT42 style ball bearing cartridge in it, which is actually, for, in Garrett terms, it's actually a larger turbo.
Okay.
Than like the S300 frame, like GT42, GT45, like in that ballpark.
So the center cartridge
Is actually heavier duty than a turbo in this frame normally.
I see, okay.
So it's kind of overbuilt, which is good for the diesel application, because you can have 60 pounds, 70 pounds of boost, and it's not gonna start taking out the thrust bearings. Because what we found with the journals, the journal bearing setups in it, is when you have extremely high back pressure, extremely high boost pressure, your thrust bearing is what wears. This is almost eliminating that, you know what I mean, on higher powered applications. So that was the idea behind going with the ball bearing.
And it like quick spool.
Yeah, it spools a lot quicker.
Spools faster.
Yeah, once the oil's up to temp, you'll notice a huge difference.
So huge deal. We're starting like the second like phase of my truck, meaning first phase would be obviously like stage 1, stage 2 upgrade. And then this phase here is actually getting into hardcore swapping out the turbo and the fuel pump. We're going to keep stock injectors for right this second. So right now we're keeping engine internal stock and injector stock, but we're basically adding a big old 370 turbo and the fuel pump. We're kind of up in the air on the pump. What we're probably going to do is the Warren pump. It's what, 50% over?
I think roughly, yeah, it's like 50 or 55%, and then I think the XG works out to be around 80.
But we'll touch on that in a second. What kind of power are we going to be running?
So
roughly,
the test truck that we've been running this particular turbo on, through fuel calculation and everything else, it's gonna support, from what I can see on back pressure and boost and all that other fun, happy horse crap without getting in too
like
deep.
super technical.
Yeah, depending on the atmosphere too, like your elevation, should be able to support between 700 and 800. If you're lower elevations, you're gonna definitely be able to get into that 800 mark. Believe it or not, I mean that's
so
pretty impressive for these.
S370 ball bearing. Probably do the Warren 55 over pump, and then we're shooting for the 8 mark. All right, guys. So from the exterior, you can't really tell that it's ball bearing, but whenever you look in through the drain side, you can actually see the cartridge in there, right there. You see the cartridge? So that's actually the whole bearing cartridge in the center section of the turbo, compared to running what, just a standard like journal bearing style.
Yeah, compared to a journal.
So
Which
this
that would basically be all open in there. You'd see cast.
So this thing will be running like, I don't know, I'm super excited to run this, and huge shout out to Dan SPE. This is like epic deal. I'm super pumped, as you can tell. Yeah, 370 ball bearing. We're running it. SPE spec. All right, guys, so there you go. There's an update from the SPE HQ. Things are absolutely cranking down there. We got some big old boxes of fun behind me in the back seat. So we definitely landed on the SPE S370 ball bearing turbo with the Warren diesel pump. That is what we're gonna do on this truck. We should be shooting for roughly, hopefully, 800 horsepower, which is pretty crazy. Stock internals on the truck, we're gonna really kind of push it to its limits, and we're gonna see what it can handle. But guys, I am gonna make the stop at the Trucks of the Hollow Truck Show this coming Saturday. You probably will see this video on Friday. So Saturday, if you guys are local, the information will be right here and below. Swing out, say what's up. We're just going to be there kind of hanging out, seeing some trucks, talking to some people. Tune in a couple days also. We're going to throw on what's in that big box right there, top secret. We're going to throw that onto the truck, and it's just going to be an epic ride. So we got all kinds of stuff planned for the Platinum, and I couldn't be more pumped. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. As always, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.